monkey guys are there. That's perfect. That's funny. Oh, that's good.
I want to say this is one of the best museums I've ever been to. I mean, come on, so cool. You get to interact with the art.
It's funny. Yep, ready. That was cool. Close. No close. Close. No close. Let's go, Maria. It's funny.
I'm gonna give myself a break.
Oh, I just saw it. We made it to Monkey Hill.
We did.
And I feel like as soon as we got here, I see everyone breaking every rule. Don't feed the monkeys, they're feeding the monkeys. Don't get too close to take selfies with the monkeys. It's exactly what they're doing. But I guess whatever, right? I mean, monkeys. Monkeys.
We're not really sure what that noise is.
I want to say it's a big bug. Big bug.
Maybe.
Suck it, Costa Rica. Thailand has real monkeys.
Yeah.
Not even gonna lie. There's a small part of me that wants to Tarzan on this. Pretty sure I'm gonna get in trouble if I do. But I guess I'm not.
Are you camera shy?
Yep.
Look at those frogs though. Just like you.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
don't. They don't like bananas.
I know. See, no one likes bananas. Not even monkeys like bananas. It's cool.
Yeah.
So you come by and
Interact with monkeys.
monkeys.
Pretty cool.
Just about done with the first day.
Yeah.
Had the great option of having a private taxi driver. Kind of, I don't know. We were going to take a taxi just to go from place to place, but the hotel offered us the opportunity to take out one of their drivers and keep him for about 4 hours. That was cool. So yeah, so we went to all the places we wanted to go within those 4 hours, and it was nice.
Yeah.
Air-conditioned car. We knew someone was waiting for us. I knew where they were going, and we're gonna get taken advantage of.
Take us to places we didn't need to be taken to.
Yeah. So it was beautiful.
It was.
Daisy found this nice little restaurant on the beach.
Yes. Like
So
a few feet away from our hotel.
Yeah. So we're just gonna go walk there and have lunch and come back and hang out. Yeah, day one Thailand going extremely well.
Extremely well.
Extremely well. Let's see what's for lunch. 'Cause we know we're excited about the food.
Yeah.
You know we're excited about the food. It's going down for the food.
Oh yeah.
First Thai meal. How are you feeling?
I'm excited.
Looks good.
Yeah.
You should be able to smell this. This smells amazing. It smells so good.
Okay, I'm gonna dig it because.
I just want to stare at it.
Well, you can
Okay,
stare.
I'm
I'm
just-
gonna eat.